talking about landscaping, entrepreneurship. We're going to be having videos every week. We're going to put out about entrepreneurship, business ideas, things to make money, and ways to make money daily, because it's not all about living life struggling. I know you guys know that. I know you guys want to be happy, and so do I. I just want to spread what I know and spread the happiness and get some happiness and more knowledge in return, because I can throw some knowledge out. You guys can drop some comments below, message me, follow me on Instagram, and like message me. I'll follow back. Fucking, oh, sorry about that. We'll put in some. We'll work together, do some seminars or some networking. So I had a long day. Had a lot of business calls to make today, and a lot of estimates to give out, a lot of quotes. So anybody can start a landscaping business today with very little money. You can buy a lawnmower on Facebook or Marketplace or Craigslist for about $35. You can buy a weed whacker. I would say stick with a weed whacker and a lawnmower at first. You can get a lot of grass mowing jobs. It's good to have a weed whacker to make nice edges to clean up, to really have that professional look. And you can like post ads, and you can get this. Sorry, I'm gonna start there. So you can get that lawnmower. Just get the lawnmower and the weed whacker first. Get the lawnmower jobs. All right, and to getting jobs. What I did for the last 2 years, and just summers, only going landscaping in the summer, and I made about 10 grand so far. Just this past week, I made in 1 week, I made 3,000, 3,500. Just being in our summer, we just started late too. Made about 3,500. Craigslist ads, I will say, is very efficient, and it's very underlooked. It's very underlooked because Craigslist, you think sketchy, unprofessional. Very professional people on Craigslist. There's all types of licensed contractors on Craigslist as well. You can find. So yeah, post ads on Craigslist. It costs $5 for 30 days. You can have an advertisement on a website for $5 for 30 days that will get you calls. I wouldn't say non-stop, but like 4 or 5 times out of a week, and 5 days a week I'm talking about. And good leads, great leads, and these are real people. You gotta watch out, there are scams out there, but these are real people that are willing to pay upwards to $3,000 to $4,000 for jobs on Craigslist, and they're not going to Angie's List, Home Advisor, or any other websites. So, and they are trying to get it for a lower cost. That's one thing I will say. A lot of them are trying to go to Craigslist and get it at a lower price, but you don't have to always lower your price. Stick to your price when you start off. You can charge people $20 an hour for just you, or for you and another guy, or you and a friend. You can do this with $50 an hour. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot, boys. So yeah, you can start off with a lawnmower, weed whacker, post some ads on Craigslist, get you some nice jobs. And that's how I got the money for $3,500 from a Craigslist ad. What I did, we stained a deck, removed some concrete, weed whacked, and tilled a garden. So in like a long lake view, they live on a lake, so we tilled the garden bed along the lake, got rid of the weeds, roots, all that stuff, good stuff. Did a couple of hauling jobs, and made a decent amount of money. I probably could have charged them a lot more, and a bigger company would have charged them a lot more. But this is just starting, and this is how I'm learning. As a process, I'm learning with you guys, and I want to give away my information to you guys. As long as we can all learn together. So I would say after you get your first couple jobs, you got your lawnmower, weed whacker, you've been posting ads. Start, obviously when you do start, I would say this: buy a shirt if you got it with another guy. Buy an orange shirt. It's $5 at Walmart. Makes you look professional. Makes you look really good. Ooh, I'm sweating, boys. But yeah, you can post an ads, get a shirt, get jobs, go out and do those jobs. And the tools, if there's jobs that you need more tools for, just have them give you a little small deposit for the job, or buy those tools when you get the jobs. Also, it might be a good idea to have a part-time job. At first when you're doing this, have money to invest. Always it's good to have revenue or income, while you're trying to pursue entrepreneurship, pursue your own business, so you don't really stagnate. You can keep going, keep moving up the hill. Yeah. website, Google My Business. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Google My Business. The Google My Business is free. It's like you can type on Google My Business on Facebook, I mean on Google, and then it'll give you, options that you can do, and you can put your business name on. And when people look up your business name on Google, they'll find it on Google with the maps attached. You can give your address or whatever business address, and then you have photos, you can have videos, posts like blog posts on there as well, and you can have people knowing your hours when you work and when you don't work, when you're open, when your shop is open, when it's not. And the Craigslist ads can work for any business. Like I'm telling you guys, it's very gonna look $5 for 30 days. Other than that, I'm not into Angie's List and Home Advisor yet, but I have been getting in contact with them, and I will be testing that out in the next couple of days. I will show you guys and make a review about Angie's List. But for right now, I'm talking about Craigslist and Facebook. Having a Facebook page, sharing it to market groups, Facebook groups that you are into. When people post and look for jobs and contractors on there, I see it all day, every day. Yeah, and get Facebook followers is really simple. Really have a Facebook advertisement up. You can pay $2, reach 400 to 1,000 people. It depends on how many people in your town use that type of social media. But a lot of people use Craigslist, Google, and other things like that as well. But yeah, you can just get out there and start posting those ads on Craigslist. Buy your lawnmower, weed whacker, go post some go do some jobs, some hand weeding jobs, really great, $25 an hour. You can pick some weeds for 8 hours, get you a decent amount of money for the day. Go to like 4 different jobs a day through Craigslist. So yeah, everybody go get that money. Shout out, to Gary Vee and Grant Cardone. It's all about sales and following up. Follow up too. When people call you, that's one thing. My bad. Sorry guys. Sorry, no gang. When people call you or message you, it's really important to follow up right away. Grant Cardone is a billionaire, I think, and he's into sales, and he talks all about follow up and getting back to these people right away, because they will go find another contractor, and that's what they're trying to get these jobs done usually right away. So go out there and get it, and don't be afraid. I'm 26. I'm just a normal guy. I don't come from a family of money or knowledge, or I didn't go to college. So, but I did graduate high school, but barely. I will admit that. But anybody can do it. I'm not a smart guy. So just go out there and get it, guys. God bless. Get that money. If you guys have any questions, just comment below or send me a message. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave some links in the below. And yeah, peace out. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Whoa. Gotta be careful.